Well, now Verizon is paying only $2 for internet on their phones. Is this a good idea? Yes, I think so. Hello and welcome to another episode of a really good episode of Campus Place, because this episode is about where Verizon is changing their internet pricings to only $2. I think this is a really good move by Verizon, because if they do this, they will go through with it and they will be good and they will make more money than they did with the regular internet. Now, I'm going to switch from T-Mobile to Verizon. If they keep this, then I'll be able to get on the internet, which I would enjoy. It would be really fun for me, and I think it would be really fun for any of the other users that will get the internet for only $2. Now, it's only $2 on the bill that's added each month. So this is a really smart move by Verizon. I think if they keep it, then they will make more money than they do with the regular internet. And if they don't, if they for some reason don't do it, then they probably jacked it up and ended up messing up the pricings, and then they'll never get anybody on the internet, and then they can't spam them. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you guys. This video is kind of short, but it's alright. But I really think this is a nice move by Verizon. If I switch to Verizon, from T-Mobile to Verizon, which will be in about a year-ish, it'll be really cool because I'll be able to have the internet. But I've heard that they are going to switch from $2 back up to the normal pricings, and I don't think that's a good idea. But anyway, I wanted to share this with you guys. And I want you to subscribe, like, and comment. I really need you guys to do all these things. And if you can give me shoutouts and give me as much as you can, because I need more subscribers, and I think all of my subscribers that are here really think I deserve it too. So I want you guys to give me shoutouts, give me anything you can to give me more subscribers. That's about it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of short, but it's alright. I'll see you guys later, and peace.